In today's video, we are going to give you the secret to opening your woman sexually. So if you've ever wanted to know what does it take to help her get into that place where all she wants is to say yes and open up to pleasure and is insatiable and just craves my cock, then this video is going to give you the step-by-step. I am Celine Remy, the Intimacy Angel.
And I am Kevin Anthony, the Truth Warrior. And if you ever wanted to know what the secret was, then make sure that you like, share, and subscribe.
So the first secret that you need to have in place is to help her feel safe. Nothing can happen until the safety is in place. Now, what the heck does that mean to feel safe, to have a safe space, a safe container, and safety? Like, well, she knows I'm safe and that she can just do whatever she wants. It is a little bit more than that. And coming from a woman, I'm going to tell you that it's what you do, what you say, and how your actions align and how you show up in the bedroom in that moment, and also outside of the bedroom. Basically, it's for you to be this very strong container where she can let go, and she knows that she's not being judged, that she's not forced to be changed or to do something different, that she's fully accepted for who she is, and that you are there to protect her. And I know that some people are like, oh, protect her, like, come on, what are we, like, you know, like Middle Ages people? But it's on a deep cellular level that even though we are empowered, competent women, we still want to know that we can relax, let go, surrender, that we have a strong man who can take care of us.
All right, number 2 is to be fully present in the moment. In our sexual mastery course that we teach at powermastery.com, we have a whole module on just this, like how to be present. So what does that mean? That means really being there 100%, focusing on her and the moment and what's going on. Things aren't running around in your head. You're not thinking about something else. You're not focused solely on your own gratification and what's happening in the moment for you, but that you're paying attention to her. She wants to feel that you are right there with her at every moment, not over here somewhere, not thinking about work over there or what's happening over here. 100% focused on her and the sex that you're having in that moment.
That also means not thinking about baseball to distract you so that you can last longer, or like the 5-tongue digit move that you read about in the latest blog that you just read. This is all about creating a connection, and it's more about connection over perfection. And we use that term a lot in what we do, and that's really what that means. Number 3, she wants to know that you are all in. And all in meaning that it relates a little bit to the presence piece, that you're fully there. So when you are fucking her, you are giving her everything you've got, you're using your full body and you're right there. But all in also means that your heart is fully in there, that you're not like 1 foot out the door and 1 foot in the relationship, and you're not like looking somewhere else as something better. And because when you do that and you're all in, it creates that element again of safety. Remember, and that was our number 1 thing that needed to be in place. Without the safety, she will never be able to feel relaxed enough to open up. But that comes through your action, that you show also that you are all in.
Give her everything you've got. There is no reason to hold back at all. All right, our 4th point, have no expectations. We talk about this one a lot. Do not put expectations on her. That's a sure way to close her right down. Now she's like, oh, now I have to do this. Now I have to perform in this way. I have to give this much back. Nope, take all that off the table, throw it out the window. You don't need it. There are no expectations. You're just gonna show up. You're gonna create a safe space. You're going to be totally present. You're going to give her everything you've got, and there's gonna be no expectations about how it ends up.
And here's the thing, when your woman is fucked properly, when you've given her everything you've got, when she feels satiated, she will want more sex as well. So that's how you know that you've gotten there, because if she has the sex that she wants and likes, she will want more of it, and she will want longer moments of it as well, you know. So you want to pay attention to how she reacts. And if you're not sure, just ask her, is there something else I could do to help you feel more into your pleasure and open up sexually? Not coming from the place of like, oh, I'm not good enough, or like, I'm putting pressure on you to do something, but just coming from that place of curiosity to create that connection, to listen, and then take action.
I'm going to throw a bonus in there.
Oh, go for it, Kevin.
The bonus is to make sure that she feels beautiful and sexy. Reassure her in that moment that she looks beautiful, that she's irresistible to you.
That's a good one. We hope today's video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in our next video.